enne ye yadom ye kan yen sempa kire Ghana for Ghana for ye yadom when you down the line no cause obi ahudi ekọ and as see ano sebe Ghana for no obi ahuru nanim kosoro sebe kane no na dollar opposition na ye 17 cedi na ye si aban bi aba no aba dia bedu 10 cedi 50 pesos now say won pe now per 17 cedi na say ne wa wasem cement now turn 120 Ghana and this aban ba ye amamo papa aban tutu papa ya tutu no ma bibia kosi and na ye 87 cedi but be quite 85 cedi now they will say 120 Ghana no na dey pay now pay 87 85 na kazo wa wasem ebiem anwa ani turn 1200 Ghana and aban papa ba be 500 Ghana and I say 550 now so pay now so pay 1200 Ghana wa wasem bakaso mi dem say Ghana for adwuma bie Ghana for enimti enti no ma Yoruba Muhammadu Bawumia and the boss at Bayern for past 8 years no Uma Madmasimo Omuni and after so yes more is Excellency John Dramani Mahama Abano but then 1 year down the line Omuni na so ahu enti the American say Kayaso about why you be kwakoti 2028 you say was social contract with Ghanaians and a social contract and one a year so and one year new was what yeah I believe we say the Ghana forecast here no see a year as see a young who said Ghana ko year no yeah twice to say now you call your I don't think say Ghanaians ebeka say NDC more modernity ebeko akoto aba edama Muhammadu Bawumia I know the Ghana for any atre I know the enya djuma ono so the emma so that the mensa can be only say ye completion emo amamu a ekoso ye ni beko ho abu niye ye say Ghana for agietun so amani kosi etima yetimu nyede de koni nyina no ye hwe amonita economic indicators nyina unemployment rate exchange rate ni nyina no ye ni da ho a ye manage ni ye ama Ghana ni bia odi ni dwuma Ghana ni bia oye ni business no otime ye sika gun bottom e dia hwe ne ho e dia bone bra ebiem so the security issue na atete His Excellency John Dramani Mahama eba ye ya watoto no ma bibia ekoso ya ono so ye behwe ahwe ni ye ebiem ye school sem ye koto aba kan so be kan say ye ka say free senior high school kra na say eyo mi flagship program enti ye mo ma ba so mo kra ye o ma nye di ye ka say ye nto aba ma ye mra ye be review nye ye ye ka review kra no mfie BECHEM enso ene ye ba ye 12 months down the line. When was the last time I would take some crano ye babina? When was the last time I would take some crano a bianuka ye bedino ye nabini? Aban papa ba a bianisam babum beda teachers motivation. Bibiano abaya by His Excellency John Dramani Mahama at to tonoma a year in terms of a hospital upon some bianso ye to talk manina quinti Ghana for now and yaji too and ye yankasan ye boy of most for him. It's because the American say Bawumia election ya ma electing before now no aware say the candidature of Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia a disaster to them. Umama leader confirm say the candidature of Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia a disaster. It's yet a Jumana na I believe say ye say that ye any candidate NDC ever presenting come 2028 Ghana for any bear again na Ghana for so ever sa twice so be esan say the Luma and the bedi e ho dance nenya kasa enya nuga na enya sebe entro na sebe so enya adidi atem onwa Muhammadu Bawumia kan say any election bia no a comparison of normal maye any normal yen so yaye it I believe say yes how comparison in their 8 years, any comparison in their 4 years now. Ghana for EBECHEM NDC and His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Amamono Atu. It's yet yensro you throw the candidature of Dr. Muhammad Babia. As I saw no dear, the more ha as you attend to my aware said the candidature and a disaster to them. It's not Kayaso, the NDC there. We are very focused. We are not distracted but any candidature of Dr. Muhammad Babia. Yet, the Dumana Ghana for the social contract over the Mayano and no any so deliver your mandate. I believe say you deliver mandate in we are Ghana for now so beside Aboya Basubi.
Oh yeah, that's it. Collins Owusu Ansa a constituency communication officer Emma NDC. So he also anape yedanase any ono so de on ye ache. Aha. Liberty 92.7 FM. Anape ma memfa asida emfa ma density natural mineral water. Obia enim se insupande enoa eno. Womo ewo Tanoso number 27 New Ridge Tanoso Main Road. Bedumi afra womo 020596 604743 and 0208466256. Masaka. Intio.
Collins akasa eno ntina na make be fa prof my queen ninsema obeka say yeah NPP for yi Dr. Baumia no e de hu bia betu NDC for so no na make be say maybe one nanim ne wo hunu nti o de kasa but data ben na kire sa de na kire say sanity and we hwe nsema Collins so ba bekan a kwasi 2028 abatro no eye adwuma wo de watwam kwaye ene de wote so aye ena Ghana for de begun sane ne na omo agina so de ato aba eye NPP for akoto aba no mayi Dr. Baumia but medical ka say adwuma wo for job day ground I was NPP for eye adwuma and menya sure say the overwhelming victory last year general election NDC for nya NDC for be mo mutima yo mo de na o matena honom saa say omudi trimude na 4 years na so dabi menye sure so mbesa eniti eni no NPP for no omonyere omotamu because NDC for no so enyeja wo because power suite to media kwesi ede enti ebeka wonsa na say 1 to 2 niema ye na atuna jeje mu a ebetimi ayeden afri wonsa and I don't think NDC for na your madwen say omema tumi from wonsa and I say NPP for so sabi omayi omo fragberer ye wi de almost be bo mo ho modern bia say tumi no omo beje free NDC for and say but ni nyina na ye adwuma was say NPP for no ye but enye easy enough from sir and I see I with results were about Saturday no kwasi enkabom ho hia ho because enkabom anya adwuma going forward no e be ye den pa and this say the adwuma NPP for ewo ye and enkabom on say afutu ho no no one vote e course ho minority leader ono ne pesu so one dodo Kenya eno dodo a Dr. Baumia nya na eno kira wo se eniama anya betesa nti wo se nkabom ye den eye adwuma se omo yo amadwen se yeyi obi asinchen na ye mo obi mamu a kwase de how beba
menna mesika one this ase ye de agode mu nsem ebro but mame mfa 1 or 2 calls e wo nkoma ye de na pay na ye nko Bugatti ho nkonkuti na Bugatti nso wo ma ye na pay 0536304072 nkoma ye die wo so wadwen kire kakra e wo ho na pay ene saying hello good morning
Kayaso.
Yes sir
Kayaso Barnabas ni mi do futa
all right Barnabas me bread into bonito mame
Kayaso mame na wase na me comment so Kayaso se omo koyi ba omi omo anyi no omo yi na banti me kanesa enfo ko ba bia sani nsuo ye no sa na beye what will be from my answer the negotiation from 2028 because
all right
we want to be anti-dollar now dollar ni bi kumwa ene yewura mahama anti-dollar no normal cost year no sa so na ye de be compare tia no because no ye mate ni kan enya fe na ye sa de kan be mana sa de akohwe ase
that's nyamisha me brenenti hello good morning me pacho udini wasem
That's a back and Kayaso.
yo mami nti wana pay
That's another pension and Kayaso Kapani speaker. Kayaso, they say MPP for you who say in Kuku over your dinner last year. No, I see a show me a Juma because you by a 2 year. ani di jano so na sa ba mu no ana ma nkugo bae ba sa me na ya hu sai ya sa na Dr. Baomi aba no asi e che sapo mu nsuo den na ya kunko den ni nyina ya ka bo mu ni hu se nya pa na 3 years na so no ya ji no akunya no tawo Ghana mo nya ni eji.
All right, thank you. Hello, good morning. Oh, okay. Onoso antimi enyina so 0536304072 03222963.
Hello, Kayaso.
Yes, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, Ebeto da Kasa.
Wakwela Ebeto da Nabitano so kada point na continue. Ano pa Kayaso wa boy manya mishira pa. Na mentia Dr. Mamadu Baumia. Na mentia China sa. Kayaso enya Dr. Mamadu Baumia na di primo. MPP na di and yeni Kennedy camp any Baumia kan yeni black. Yeni na ni di kunim kana so account. They are talking about big fear. Kenya ni se Kayaso wa ma me fanya. Me ka che intie nyina ya dinkuni. Enti na ya ne NDC fu ne koko. E tina me ma me bi owo ni 2 kilos 3 kilos. Obeto dia to ni momo ne na koko ni si dem a ye jimi nto na tina wo ma market no. NDC fu hwe no monka. Ene God reserve no. Mo ka no. Enye Dr. Mamadu Baumia. Ena de bae. And then this is Dr. Mamadu Baumia ho Ubaso and Omo Kaseti and 2028 MPP Cabo and this is for annual more. He said, I said, don't get your baby. Where's your Bramu in a baby? I'm more.
All right, that's it. Hello.
Oh, good morning.
Good morning.
Also, I'm talking about
Mpacho Mintio.
I'm Sama Semenesha Moniko. Fast forward, we call us so. Yes, sir. NDC name of the Kayaso and a service every communicator. No, main that may and son of the kind of say, but yes, 2016. Nana Adeakyea Abia recorded the highest votes in the Republic of Ghana, in the Fourth Republic. Irajo Mahama, Ninkuni Mudi, only 6.3 million votes. And Krama about in 2016. You know, Kufu 6.7 million votes, 6.7 million. MPP party, no, still a Ghana full party, and a Ghana full pay. And to quite any disunity, I see MPP Montimo, and MPP for Kasan Concord to the next in DC in the Ghana. So, the same wants to say, Yen MPP, and I'm putting it on the record today. And yet, the pipe want to say, and this makes me answer about Bemu. Yen had the better managers of the economy. This was out to Sono. Ghana focus IGD, no. It is young people to go, and the man with TFS is here. But for 2 years, the DMC some, yeah, bad budget to me 2028.
All right. Thank you. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Kayaso.
Yes, sir.
We are some women in our Mampo.
Mpacho Yentio.
Kayaso, Nakuka, which now, or Modern Maubon, Western Northwest. Maybe a Kayaso Kaka Mecca, actually, young men, people, company, 4 leaders, or Mudaya, non say, Miss Frey, and Kabum. You see, your papa, Baumia, Erin. Young, I have to be uncontained. Young, I am tired of him. Now, my come when you every party, you already say, need to be done. And that's why you say you don't come more. I'm saying to be a quarrel. And they have a more be a yagi, a yukuno. Oh, I will blood and wash him. I will be your Juma. I'm a party one. You with the trip. One thing I come, I can't say yes, and for leaders. Would be our papa, what the piano. The center for me coming now. Young and I am about 2028.
Good morning.
Good morning, Kundo.
Yes, sir.
Pato, about Papa Banu, the one of them, Osman, the word to Kamuku.
Casamiti.
Come say, Party Ben, I have Kondo. It may Ghana for Kondo. And I say, you Papa or Bo Maya,
omuko yi ne de ne bae no onne be sama MPP akonana woni ni papa nana akufu ado omu be say oman ama oman ni ahotre eba oman no na mo sa ko yi sa papa ya sa ba say MPP be akondo e woni fa ahotre ye ko mu MPP fo akondo me ya pe nyina sifi na aban papa ba ni mu twetwe kwa so o sa say MPP aban aya akondo e woni fa yes see Ghana for MPP bi mo ba ko ya ji 50 years eti aba papa na aba no Ghana for nyina ite o mo wa
All right, Mamen for last caller na yem fancy awase. Hello, good morning.
Kayaso.
Yes sir.
We did you go.
Ukasa VPS. Ncho.
Ya be yanko pase. O wa de tawa ya maye. Na aba. Kayaso. Enne NDC abamu a ekuyafo ayemofo. Na enne wo ku kura eko asinkafo ne hu kan ho nyina. Ni Kayaso. Ka ko manya di momo. Eti to be ka to sa papa ba. Mo ma no no. Na o sure.
Medebesi ewa ha memfa ofrefo bia meda afrefo de nyina ase ne obi adwenkyere a ode eba ene anopa yi yede eye first segment no besi ewa ha sei musica bi mami yes
fast forward me sorry so no wan kasa obra nana kofi nana sompa hene so yo so nana no matrankunya me bona baso akwa ne na dwuma ko recof akwa 2025 best Gasam Cement Distributor Award. Niti mebona baso one ne wife Queen Elizabeth Queen one in adwuma phone na se o matimi akonkode na sa abaso bodi aba. Nya menhira no ene na adwuma paso a ogoso ye de som o man Ghana ne sehweman. Bada akwasi NPP for de metimi aka ne se sa be yenkabom. Enkabom no mo hia. Enye bibia so mo ka mo ho bom a bia de esu o mani so no a mo pese o mo saka no. Nya me betimi aye o madom amo mo saka. Ba se enkabom na ma na kwasi ekoye bibi oho na ntitemu a ene de be hardwin going forward nti medase
Mami fancy na men konko fa gudi mun sem fam na bugati ya krado ewa na mana pase danko ema eje Nike block factory obese beje blocks ewa ya so ye ope eye solid blocks hollow blocks anase pavement block ope eye covered now the eye edi udwuma wo eye asase ne so ana pese wo si fie zo a wo de don't worry for woni akire mu ewo eye Nike block factory wo mo ewo anwem kwantempo no so a wo mo eben Rock East Guest House. We be able to maso be on be go come the kwakuja free abra obra enye ohwe. From 0246442742 and 0244194177. Sarah so ena anapay Rock East Guest House. Yes, ha hoje bia papa a abepim e wo sahwema mu ha sei eno ene Rock East Guest House. Ye wo eye bia obeda. Ye wo restaurant, ye wo bar. Conference hall want to be my meetings ahodo nyina wada sorry na pese wo sisi utun so no Rock East Guest House your barbering salon horbit me decide me into edit amount 24/7 your security your spacious car park ubehunu e anwem kwantempo no so e benji Nike block factory for ya 0240 0540 536618 0540 536618 Rock East Guest House where every day is a great day. Sarah so and amen car was say abofado kwotro nso hwe ne wantwa obeso otro no foforo fano echo a smart effort college you say just be smart and we will put in our efforts you chere a general science general arts agriculture science business home economics visual arts and a technical subjects in nyinara you will hostel ewo hodom edema aye omom frichichi ne benche eba you samso jim kwala ewo aye crèche 1 year kokosi class 4 Schoolie ewo bia enkano na Grace Preparatory School ewo no ewo Somakrom from penning 0541639371 na 0243112806 Smart Effort College. Yes, just be smart and we will put in our effort. Ebia na phone and what chiba and unto pe phone for Adeakyea. So ope aye Samsung, ope iPhone, ope aye Infinix Techno. Phone be na ope for ni hremu ewo KIT Solutions. GPI to abroad and so hodom ene wo ye de Malcolm Edia no hwe a ye ben big brain ubetimi afre 0245 404140 ebia na laptop ne kro na hwatochima ebia won so o desktop no ehwa to chima opesi sese de ma wa oba ebedi sa adwuma de ni nyina e de amount be ma wa ye mere wo mpa so a wontumi ma oba ni nje wo mpa mu aduro no enoa ene Mr. Kill, for you to be called the real man. BCSU, I'm why come. Oba, what's one of the dear Shima or Tiao? What of the dear Shima wanted that? Bosomono Eswa, na Afi wants to sono a tone jajo, a yawonkwa, in Sufita bitagu, and can be a witchery. What the Mount Sanka Araba Bazen tablet. Bia to a drubia alcohol mawunsa able to me Akabi. Ube to me African Lungana for it was 0504906665 and 0545906665. Bogati.
Bosses of the boss.
Good morning.
Morning, boss.
Let's say.
Boss, okay, say not don't vim ya no pay.
Vim yai. And
it's also who you power.
Oh, I don't matter.
Yes, so you see a boom pump teacher and say we power. Boss, come on home.
Monsieur Sian.
Oh, na me yo boss, come on.
And I'm saying Monsieur Sian.
Sir. We are sure.
Situation and I initiation.
Oh, I know the other credit.
Nice one.
Obi say obi abeto so usia memo one. Say ka bi odi kan no.
Na say nya menche say o say da bia pani na nya
odi. Da bi ano de ade o intense secretary ba be di pani nani me. Oh, be 2%.
So sika wo me ho.
Oh yes now.
Ti bi situation wo so sika
one man. Bosses of the bosses. Oh, that be said now some get to our own Zeka, who nipple sit down and cow, cabby the man and a cow. Oh, I come.
So, Nibi.
Me nibi bet, never saw a camper.
Don't worry.
Da bene no.
Jamia Quina so so.
No dear.
Or no qua, no bit your man. Nipper be unto my own, yes, sir. Nyobe cannot dada. So nyame efasa nipa no so ma wo so nya bia wo nsa beka bi nti nyame na hwe no enhwe nipa
ye mbom pa so mebo ya
nice one
so they can get a point yeah yes I have you appropriate time pause ni buga pause o ka se ne be sha sia na se dia course am nya freche no
nti ka me say question
nya ba ko bia na eja because say me say am abin no yes just a capella like
na no sa na mo ko fa encyclopedia betu amoso na mo baka o
anu dia hwemo dia ina wie oh encyclopedia na wie mu nyina on say dictionary from A to Z ya kan dia mu nyina
I see
dia say dia
Bugatti no
boss da bi say ni pa da wa bin ana wa bin oh yes we do ba bi say the chenko for say wa bin me fan tete unumade ya ye ma ehum say wo ya de what you say on say ko ba bi wona say wo kwa ya ni nim de wo ye be da ho adi kire nipa say wa bin
abranti wo ya ba o
sanam ye maduma me da ho adi kire nipa somebody mbo say ni minimade be sua de ma bin say we PhD me master say good dem boss that is why I want him to do now and boss nipa bin nimade a what's the problem you don't come how no say dictionary now him word bend we are say him na say nipa so sua de I say Bible obviously sua from Genesis to Revelation quotation ben na ka on me enye hindi this be na one oketi wa adwin na de ba de but yes idea be no adwa ba mi tinka asa mo junte say no ya hu yenye because baby am wo ho ndi unya baby ade be fa biem bosses of the bosses most of them when you say me twa na adro some no
say na ntwinam ye beef
yeah
dog meat in susu ye dey
dog meat beef
was it
beef
me say na ntwinam beef na dog meat in susu ye dey
kramanam say meat
benim say meat
listen me say twa
ana me say benim say meat say na ntwinam so ye meat but na ntwinam ye very beef ana me say dog meat in so ye dey
so we now the same category
that people mean one can you
no e dey difference how Yes, you said it didn't.
And they tin down. It's a beautiful Monday morning.
It's a beautiful Monday was a beautiful family. But them said this I want to I want to report. I'm not sure say Odin. So you know the Monday same the same beef na.
We are sure.
Say nam kro.
Inti. Say eh nam kro dia. Odwan nam your friend say. Odwan nam Odin. Say no see meat. A person nam say no see meat.
Pork.
Prako nam say no see meat. Adna prako nam the friend pork. Na dog meat they also needy.
Was it your favorite?
Emphasis.
There. I said, and no bad dog meat.
They
a bad dog meat.
Oh,
that's my God.
Okay, what do I find to?
Then
Prof bar. Never be son.
Then was meeting the Indians alcohol.
Inti apahon.
Mr. Manetino, apahon.
Oh, okay.
The other version Monday, no one Friday.
All right. TM fancy
the way the man is
TM fancy
and the other channel, Obano Bisano.
Okay.
Min country.
And Miss Ben come. TM first post to the Matty. Okay. I'm a video.
And that's mercy, Boku, episode for Mr. Monsieur now, just a Moten, I want to pay Mr. Mequanafe, but Yakudia Munson Pindia, but it's not do no pay, me and our friend, just a dear Chabia morning show, no, as some sort was in some Pian or pay a deba. Mamma Quack says, Nami Conquat Chapon, if that's smart, yes, or penny, special good morning, come from our PTA, Mr. Winamo Biomana Pamisa, Master Pama, P. Bruta, some Catro, Safi Moody, Sabidia Cobian, or a bar, Metamashadana Mitiano, Yan Quanafe, Godin Comaka, said during the weekends, call the 5 Major League Soccer Europa games outdoor etimi cause from the resource in the Weber Sassia for the England Premier League and Mr. Brighton team transfer Shabakum Emma Everton and so Shabak Arsenal team no away Echo Shelly's carrying 9 at least sentiment here Martin Zubimendi ball first goal Noni Madueke Victor Jokers now for Gabriel Swemu and about 4 goals to the Arsenal for Leeds United team no sentiment Wolves at my Bournemouth Echo Shannon Canimia no Chelsea Mr. Chelsea Jima Bruta, the Stamford during the weekends, and no, Sepao, Mr. Chelsea Temetra West Ham, Eddie Kanko about 2 goals, Jarrod Bowen, after Crescencio Sama about 2 goals, Nemo second half na Chelsea, Eberson Mamuti Asakwada, and Joe Pedro Becher 1 goal, after Marco Guerra Nyabota Pimbone to Atamafe, 90+2, and Enzo Fernandez, that was a 43rd goal in Kama Chelsea, Echa 3 West Ham team no, and Swetimati, Akanumumianum, Sasna Liverpool team no Trafie. Echa can 9 and my new cast to take a back Fay, Ibrahima Konata Wemu, and about 4 good Liverpool Fay, Anthony Gordon, at the Kanubakuma Lucas of Savannah Pedro Seminano, and so about call the Villa Parker surprisingly. Aston Villa team the Trafie, Emma Brentford, Echo Shan Kanubakuna, the Bakuma Yamia, and it's Oko Old Trap match that is said here, and that market carry Komuya Jimo Bruta, Manchester United team no, Etna Fisher 3, Emma Fulham, and Sweaty Kanimiano, Casimiro first goal, Mates Kuna Afei, Benjamin Sesko Wemu, and about 3 goals no, as the Manchester United for Fulham team no, as we at Kanamu Ayamiano, not time for the championship 1, Emma Kista Palace, so Esha Bakum, Oko Tottenham Hotspur for Noah, 1 Esha 2, Emma Masi to say Esha 2, Run Jackie Ball, go the Masitan Afei, and Transman Okoye for Jana Sopan Afei, Dominic Solanki, about 2 goals to the Hospital, I don't want Seminano, at the Bane, about 8 p.m. or something like that. Stadium of Light on one Burnley. After you call the Spanish La Liga, now so we can see games outdoor and so to me cause Espanyol Traffic, Emma Deportivo Alaves, Echo Shani Cani, Espanyol, Etimate Canum Bacum, Via Oviedo, Etia 1, Emma Girona, and so and team Anticamu Sanso, and I'll shed Yakos and Yasam Gatonim Sau Ramu, or Livat team no and Shabby, Emma to come out team no, and so and Timan Shabby Osasuna, Etia 2, Emma Villarreal, and to 2 na Oko Echa. Team the Transfuma Bassa team no, Echo Shan the Canemy and some Eche, Etimati, a canon back with Lamy Yamabo first goal, Toronto's boss, Sikango Nafe, Marcus Rashford Wemu, and the Ton Tanima Sadma Bassa of Eche, Etimati, a canon back home, Afe Sauko, Santiago Banapiwa, we are my team the Transfer 2, Emma Real Valicano, Eti, a canon back home, Vinicius Junior about first goal Nafe, Kylian Mbappe Lotina Sana, player friends, who had the fruiters, Eti canon back home, Real Valicano, Pero win some no, and so Adeba, Heta for team the Transfer Shabby, and my set up, you go so into my ship, and so, and now call San Mamensa, I think about team no, 1 yesterday so back the madman about 8 p.m. o call the Mayoka Stadium on him so Mayoka team no ebetra what any 7 years so any subject course so now we can see and I permit 7 Inano and so they were yanko the Italian Syria Lazio at Fisher 3 again one so team at Academy Pisa at Rafie Sasolo Tuarum Equashan Canaba me and some Pisa at Meti Canaba Napoli Unimsa weekends way Antonio Conte Juma Bruta Napoli team no at Fisher 2 Florentina at Meti Akanumbaco Cagliari at Fisher 4 Hezal Verona and so went to take Canabia for Torino team no at Fisher Bakuma Leche and so antimanti economy combo etafianship Atalanta and so antimanship yanko wouldn't be so called the Cremonese on a traffic international Milan team no equation the Calimiano Lautaro Martinez now fay Piotr Zelinski woman about 2 goals no and so my Inter Cremonese antimanti economy fay Palma team the traffic Shabako Emma Juve and so share the Canon 9 Gelson Bremo first goal Weston McKenna now fay Jonathan David Remu and about 4 goals to my Juve Palma team no as we ultimately coming back your man there about 7 p.m. I did this team no about traffic what any Roma Yanko the German Bundesliga when we say games out to be considered on the weekends Cologne team no traffic share back home Emma Wolfsburg Etma ticket move Osberg at share 2 Emma St. Pauli Etma share Katim ticket move back home and for team no traffic share back home Emma Banderful Vakusin and so trying to question the 3 goals after Hoffenheim team no share 3 Emma Union Berlin Etma Academy back home I'll be lifting team no traffic Emma my so 5 question the Academy no lifting team no and so Etma Academy back home Werder Bremen share 1 Emma Borussia Mönchengladbach team no and so Etma share back home Hamburger SV Etma share 2 Emma Bayern Munich so share 2 Hurricane and now for Luis Diaz so many players Omutontra and so Emma Bayern Munich team no after Stuttgart team no traffic Emma Freiburg and Abisa 4 Ekoye dual game after Oko Signal Iduna Parker Borussia Dortmund team no traffic share 3 Emma Hendiam so Etma share kan mumieru na yanko the French league no say games out and so Etma cause during the weekends so call the French league say and a results on the course so Paris Saint traffic share 2 Emma team first Marcel to share mienu Messi give the first goal na fei Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang so at the second goal so Laurent at share 2 Emma Nantes Etma Academy back AS Monaco team no share 4 Emma Stade Rennais and Etma Academy be Lyon at share 1 Emma Leo and so Etma Chebafei Angus team no at share 1 Emma Men so 5 so no and Etma Academy Nice at share 2 Emma Brest and so share 2 Toulouse team no at share Maoze and so Etma share nabe only said that big game because so na Salzburg team no and Paris Saint-Germain Paris team no at share 2 Emma Salzburg is 4 omu Etma Academy say and a top 4 race in here Yanko EPN will say and a top 4 in the Arsenal team the 53 points Manchester City Tosumierum 47 points Aston Villa Tosumiensa 46 points Manchester United team no Tosu and 9 41 points afei so Spanish La Liga no say in a table in here Barca team the 55 points Real Madrid team no Tosumierum 54 points Atletico Madrid team no Tosumiensa 45 points Villarreal Tosu 9 42 points Yanko the Terence Syria the Pichichi say in a table in here International Milan team no Edikai 55 points AC Milan team no Tosumiero 47 points Napoli Tosumiensa 46 points after Juventus team no Tosu 9 only 45 points of the brother one Semiano and so they by Yanko the first league in say in a table they say I don't know Ayashi because table no one more and yet a month for chef or so and he's saying that here PSG team Dikai 48 points Lens Tosumiero 46 points Marcel Tosumiensa 39 points Lyon team no Tosu 9 39 points of the pay yadi table ni nano 7 ni nano and so they ba say and a Bundesliga no so here Bamuchi team ni dikan 51 points Borussia Dortmund Tosumiero 45 points Hoffenheim team no Tosumiensa surprisingly won ever 42 points Stuttgart team no Tosu 9 ever 39 points now we say games in corner we ni and coach how do team komo na yen ko Liverpool ni any coach ye friend say and it's not among komo na o see na ni ache say ono ultimate traffic na o 4 goals to 1 against Newcastle and a slot.
He called me earlier in the week that he wanted to come back earlier because he felt that the team really needed him with the injuries we had. So he decided to come back earlier than planned. And apart from his goal, he played a very good game, I think. and yeah, he got a goal, and the fans were already very appreciative, I think, during the game, and then scoring in the end the goal. A very good goal.
Wait, you start for the sound and sort down. What on the next no sound to say, I never quit so any more man who are turn upon so share the link up between opinion from Vietnam for Adeakyea or some me in a combination of your hair. So what team not the place me anyway at one was a sabbath war, my baby resource up a biaro, one sa at Makinti and a slot.
Yeah, that's for sure, because now when he had all of these moments earlier in the season that didn't lead to golden assist, now his numbers are of course much better, but the biggest improvement I see is his work off the ball. Also in the beginning of the season he was creating a lot, but it didn't lead to numbers yet, but his work rate off the ball, the way he presses, the way he plays the...
Well, I was for and it's not the way coach at the Liverpool, I was for to pay Martin and young coach as a coach or no son of 4-1 Newcastle coach of funny said Eddie Howe or no chairman and just say what do you want just said that say oh try we out here say na 4-1 no players no didn't have more into Eddie Howe.
We were very much in the game, and to keep passing the ball, we felt we were giving them problems. Our athleticism was really strong today, and as you say, we start the second half really strongly. A number of set plays through the game, which we didn't probably execute as well as we should have done. On another day, I think that game is very different. 4-1 looks like, looks like.
Yes, and I'm about to not call you across our ultimate acquire quality to 4-1. That's not tell me so. Say, coach, just a goals are just a Liverpool this year. No, now a Muna Fukakane, cheap goals, Ujina Chirona, sport bought my money. Just a kick and tip your Mujina Chirona, Ujama, yes or 4. No, say, Omu consider cheap goals to do, Yinti and a slot.
I just think the thing that's cost us today is the manner of the goals we conceded. We're disappointed with that. We wouldn't normally, I think, by our very high standards, concede those types of goals. Got to give credit to Liverpool, but we're kicking ourselves really, especially with goals 1 and 2.
Well, for Newcastle for coach, I'm going to say coach of the moment, coach, I have friend, which is Liam Rossiniano, and a coach, as the match Chelsea said, your coach, Ibaye, Jima Warrior, and West Bruta, now him, sir, or not to Timmy transfer with him now, let me share 3, and I just said to my friend, which is Timothy Kanumuyeru. Now, you only say, was see or buy, tactics are open, I had it there, say, players not tenacity, because easy, say, first time, over EPL, now ultimate transfer, extra 3 goals, that's why you had Martin, Yinti Liam Rossiniano.
I think every session that I take, every meeting that I take, every game that we play is the most important thing. I live in the now, so it is the most important game because it's the next one. And I mean that if you start to prioritize games or think something's more important than the other, then you're not focused. I don't care if it's a pre-season game, I'm doing it at my maximum, and I expect that from whichever group I work with. So for me, that keeps me calm, because I'm happy with the process in which we work as a staff and which the players are taking on. I'm not making it any bigger than the fact it's the next game and we have to win.
Yes, I was saying some Chelsea coach Liam Rossinia, what him question 3-2 against West Ham. Some already 2 done. I don't want to but some Dawson. You the best but Fiesta Brand yet and Pana feeling Komoga Kra. When say weekend, so the Ghana Premier League, match with 21 to 3 course across Ghana. Now, another pair of resources in another day. But when him say team now at FHM, media man, and so at him at Canberra, Vision FC, at FHM 2, and my Dreams FC, so at him at 2. After Heart of Lions, team the transfer, at me and some of team now, at Meti, a cannon back, then I start at Nana Ajman, but did the first back and Shebi, I'm a summer team now, and so Antiman Shebi go starts at dance back Sheb back, come all black team now, and so Antiman take and be out for 2 team that transfer, and Shema BECHEM 4, and so Antiman Shebi, them Oko, and you say only start transfer 2, and my Becum Chelsea, Antiman Academy, carry a team that Mama Sports said, Mesha back home, and my whole United team now, and so Antiman Shebi, younger positive team that when she sports said Michelle and Son, and my 11 team now, and so Antiman Shebi say, and a league table, the medium team, the decline 43 points, I don't know start, at Tosumi 36 points, Hasbrook 14 with Tosumi and Son, 36 points, go start, at Tosu 9, 36 points, Kolago team now, at Tosunum 35 points, Summertex, at Tosu 35 points, Heart of Lions, at Tosun 30 points, Carolina team now, at Tosun Watchy 28 points, Nations FC, at Tosun Chrome 27 points, Dreams FC, at Tosu Adu 26 points, Younger Apostle team now, at Tosu 2 back home 26 points, BECHEM not the team to Tosu 2 Mienu 26 points, All Stars, at Tosu 2 Miensa 26 points, All Blacks, at Tosu 2 9 24 points, Vision FC, at Tosu 2 Enum 24 points, Wilmon and KC Jaiba, Omu Echo relegation, Become Chelsea, at Tosu 2 Sia 23 points, Ho United, at Tosu 2 Son 20 points, after 11 days, the the Omoko, Omule Chatuo with only 9 points. And then a pedal win 7 and to the say and a top scoring chart in the Tia. Koda friend is some Atakumi, Osina Kadima Gold Stars, watch 8 goals. Richmond Opoku, watch 8 goals. Imanolano, on also watch 7 goals. Prince Tonebua, watch 7 goals. Now for number Mafo, and the Sea Academy do not step that for no 6 goals. I don't want 7 and so the balance the games in the corner and the coach outdoor a ball not change the chance from coach. Your friend say Ibrahim Tankono and the coach Adama Media Monos and Alice Pra on also Irene Yetino.
I think that yeah, for them they will say it's a fair result because right from the onset we could see that is what they want.
What else have we so a pen in the amount they say in your party? Best money, dear was a good so high and tear. Just a coach, a friend say, Ibrahim Tanko, only a coach as a member, dear Mafia, and Naba, Nini Komakakra.
No, I think we after the first goal, definitely we allowed them to take every ball, second balls, all the second balls they won. So, and the pressure was too high, and I don't know why, but I mean, this is a game. Anyhow, you are going to lose a game, but I think here is very painful.
Okay. Now, I mean, the 2 goals that you consider, do you think that you...
Sometimes you can do everything and they will score. But I think we have the better chances in terms of clear chances in play. And we lose today. We are going to prepare very well and then see what the next.
Of course, now you've lost.
Now, Saran Koya, Pony Bobo, just a nation force and coming in what team back. Ibrahim Tanko, coach at the Mama Diamana Moten and Kana, coach as the managers, the friends from Pom Manson, or no, I tear upon so winning after the game, no, or not so channel the chair in Central 4.
You can see the atmosphere around the stadium. I think we needed these points, and I think we worked very hard for it. It's not something that came by chance. We worked very hard for the win. Yeah.
Now you considered an early goal.
At a certain situation, and then it happened. So I was reminding them that this is what I was telling you. But then it was they were all confident. I mean, it was early, but we didn't want it to have effect on us. So we calmed our nerves and then tried to go for the game. So for me, I think it was a very nice win for us. Yeah.
Now your captain, Razak.
Well, we subordination service for coach. I think that from Pomanson, I'm not telling you, I'm player of born on one pump phone inside and what is saying. Razak Simpson or boy Jima Brutana or not to give the quality on to turn out and so a chance to 20 Razak Simpson.
I'm really happy. I'm really happy. Like I'm overwhelmed because looking at this season, like things has not been the same as last season or last 2 seasons. So as a captain of this nation, I'm a little bit worried, but I know what my boys can do, and I know what the coach that has come also can do. So I just give thanks to God.
Of course. Now, when you consider that early goal,
so me, I have the hope that we are going to win.
Now, the first goal you peeled at the back, headed the ball into the net. I mean, it is something that you've been practicing in training because I saw Salim closest to you, but you were able to peel from him.
Yeah, sure. Like